Welcome to the Benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of turmeric. Have you noticed? Turmeric is everywhere. This vibrant spice, with its roots deep in ancient healing traditions, is having a major moment. And trust me, it's not just a fad. This golden wonder is backed by serious science, with studies revealing its remarkable potential to transform your health. From easing joint pain to potentially warding off chronic diseases, turmeric's benefits are truly impressive. For centuries, turmeric has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda. Revered for its potent healing properties, it was used to treat a wide array of ailments, from skin conditions to digestive issues. Now, modern science is catching up, confirming what these ancient practices knew all along. Turmeric is a powerhouse of health benefits. Ready to unlock the power of this golden spice? Let's dive in. What makes turmeric such a potent health booster? The answer lies in a powerful compound called curcumin. This active ingredient is responsible for turmeric's vibrant yellow hue and, more importantly, its impressive medicinal properties. Think of curcumin as the engine driving turmeric's health benefits. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even boasts antimicrobial properties. These characteristics make it a valuable ally in fighting inflammation, protecting your cells from damage, and even potentially combating certain infections. Simply put, curcumin is a true gift from nature. Now, let's explore how these properties translate into real health benefits. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal, but when it becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on your health, contributing to diseases like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Here's where turmeric shines. Curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory action helps to tame the fires of chronic inflammation. Studies show that it can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the harsh side effects. This makes turmeric a natural and powerful ally in the fight against inflammation-related diseases. Next, let's uncover how turmeric acts as a shield against cell damage. A shield against damage antioxidant powerhouse. We're constantly bombarded by free radicals, unstable molecules that damage our cells and contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants, like those found in abundance in turmeric, are our defense system against this onslaught. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing these harmful free radicals and protecting our cells from damage. This protective action is thought to play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. But wait, there's more! Let's explore the exciting research on turmeric's potential in targeting specific health conditions. Turmeric in action, from brain to gut. The scientific community is buzzing with excitement over turmeric's potential. Studies suggest that this golden wonder may boost brain health. Curcumin shows promise in improving memory, protecting against cognitive decline, and even combating depression. Support heart health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help to lower cholesterol, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Ease joint pain. Research suggests that turmeric can reduce pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis, offering a natural alternative to pain medications. Improve gut health. Turmeric may help to reduce inflammation in the gut, alleviate symptoms of IBS, and even promote a healthy gut microbiome. These are just a few examples of the exciting research emerging on turmeric's diverse health benefits. Spice up your life. Easy ways to embrace turmeric. Ready to experience the transformative power of turmeric for yourself? Here's how to easily incorporate this golden spice into your daily routine. Spice up your meals. Add a dash of turmeric to smoothies, soups, stews, stir-fries, and even desserts. Enjoy a golden latte. This delicious and comforting drink is a great way to get your daily dose of turmeric. Supplement wisely. Consider a high-quality curcumin supplement for a concentrated dose of this powerful compound. Remember, consistency is key. Make turmeric a regular part of your diet to reap its long-term health benefits. Your health is in your hands. Take charge today and embrace the power of nature's golden healer, turmeric. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.